If you are a boat owner, you know there's a couple of things you probably hate doing. One's winterizing your boat, and one is cleaning and detailing your boat. Well, we're here to help you with one of those things, and that's getting it detailed and honestly making it easier to detail. On this one right over my shoulder, what we're doing is we're actually applying a ceramic coating to the exterior surface of this boat. This is gonna make it easier to wash, easier to clean. It's gonna make it look newer longer. It's gonna make this metallic flake, this red metallic in the sunlight really pop and add a lot of depth to it. For the same reasons that you may want to ceramic coat a vehicle, you want your paint to look newer longer, you want it to be easier to clean and more hydrophobic, you want it to be protected against UV rays so it doesn't fade in the sun. People that own boats want the same thing. The great news is, if you do bring it in for a ceramic coating, we can maintain this look for significantly longer. Usually every ceramic coating on a boat can last anywhere from 1 to 2 seasons, depending on how much you love your boat and how much you use it. And we can make it where the gross water line that you see on the bottom of most boats that stay in the water just doesn't happen nearly as fast, and when it does, it's easier to clean off. We can even ceramic coat things like your leather upholstery, even the glass if you have a windshield, or even some of the other carpet and upholstery to make it easier to clean. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, be it on a boat, on a car, on an RV, even an airplane, feel free to reach out to one of our team members. We are happy to help walk you through the process, talk to you about the products, the pricing, and even the scheduling as well. Thanks again for checking us out. If you do have any questions, feel free to hit up one of our team members. We're happy to help.